Good morning, students. Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Let's continue with this chapter, the sound of music, and we are doing the part 2 of the chapter. And the part 2 is based on the story of Bismillah Khan, the Shehnai player. Okay, so how were the early days of Bismillah Khan? Means how he started living his life from his childhood age. Okay, actually he was born on 21st March 1916. He was born on 21st March 1916 in a well-known family of musicians, and his family belonged to Bihar. Okay, Rasul Bux. His grandfather name was Rasul Bux. Rasul Bux. He was the great Shehnai player, and his grandfather used to play Shehnai in the court of Bhojpuri king. Okay, and his father's name was Paigambar Bux. Paigambar Bux was also a great Shehnai player. So uh, when this Bismillah Khan was 5-year-old boy, he used to play gilli danda near a pond of Darmau. Darmau is a village, okay, in Bihar. So he used to play gilli danda along with his friends. So he often visited the Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri chat. Chat means kirtan. Okay. At the end, the local Maharaja used to give him a very big laddu as a reward. So actually, he was 5-year-old boy, and he was not interested at that time in Shehnai. Okay, in that instrument. So he was very much conscious about spiritual things. So he used to visit Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Kirtan. Chaita means Kirtan. So listening that Chaita Kirtan, the local Maharaja used to give him a big laddu as a reward. Okay. Ali Bux. Now Ali Bux was the name of his maternal uncle, Mama ka naam. Maternal uncle means Mama. So his maternal uncle lived in Banaras. So once what happened, he visited with his mother. He visited to his maternal uncle's house, and he saw that his uncle practicing the Shehnai, and he was extremely fascinated by listening that sound, and he got attracted towards the instruments. Okay, so Ali Bux was and here is a description, a detail of Ali Bux, his maternal uncle, that Ali Bux was employed as the Shehnai player in the Vishnu temple of Banaras. So his maternal uncle used to play Shehnai in Vishnu temple of Banaras. He was a paid employed over there. So Bismillah Khan started taking classes from his maternal uncle and learning Shehnai, and slowly he received lessons also in this and he was learning how to play that instrument Shehnai, and he used to play and practice throughout the day. Okay, at where he used to play, question can arise that uh, where did the Bismillah Khan used to play and practice the Shehnai? So he used to play at his favorite places for the practice of Shehnai was the temples of Balaji and Mangla Maya and the banks of Ganga. So how the question can be like this, that where did the Bismillah Khan used to practice and learn the Shehnai? So the answer will be like this. For Shehnai, for the learning and practicing of Shehnai, the favorite places of Bismillah Khan were the temples of Balaji, temples of Mangla Maya, and the banks of Ganga river. So these three places was his favorite place. Okay, so this was the lifestyle of Bismillah Khan and how he started learning Shehnai. Now in the next class we will discuss, that is the end of the story, that what achievements he got. Actually in that class we will learn that where he performed like Shehnai playing, did he performed in a concert, what awards he had been awarded with. Okay, so that's all will be his achievement. So that we will discuss in the next class. So the childhood period and how he started learning and practicing Shehnai and how he became a good Shehnai player was in this class. Okay, that's all for